Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.